Assalamu alaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to your online video class. I hope you all are well. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sharmin Rahman from Standard 6 Campus 1, your English language teacher. Talk about present perfect progressive tense, which is also known as present perfect continuous tense. So before starting, I would like to give you the definition of this tense. So the basic thing is that this tense is used to express an action that started in the past and continued to present or just stopped. That means this tense is going to be connected with two tenses, that means past and present. So the action which is going to take part in the sentence is started in the past and it is continuing to present or just stop, and the result will be important and you can see the result in the sentence. So to make the present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive tense, you need a structure, and the structure is given below as you can see on the screen. First of all, we will add a subject, and based on subject we will add have or has, and then we will add been here, and been is the past participle form of be. So and then we will add verb in the base form, and we will add ing with the verb and rest of the sentence. So here is the some of the examples given below. I have been eating the pizza. I have been eating the pizza. That means you are still eating the pizza. You started in the past, but you're still eating it, which is a continuous or progressive manner. So that's why I have been eating the pizza. Next example, you have been playing for 1 hour. So that means in this sentence, you have been playing, you're still playing in the continuous term. So you started the past, but you're still continuing it. Next, the last one is he has been studying since 9 o'clock. He has been studying since 9 o'clock. So here you can see easily that this tense is basically on terms of time. That means there is a time which will tell you that when it started or how long it is continuing. Okay, so this is the structure, and this way you will write the tense. So let's use this tense. So for that, number one, for past actions just stop. That means those actions which started the past and recently it stopped. Example, I am tired because I have been running. So I am tired because I have been running. You started running in the past and you're still continuing it. That's why you are tired. That's why you are tired. That means you stopped running. So recently. So for past action, just stop. That time you will use this tense. Next, for past actions continuing now, that means an unfinished work which started at the past and you're still doing it. That time you will use present perfect progressive tense. Example, I have been reading for 2 hours. That means you started reading before 2 hours and you're still continuing it. That's why you are going to use this tense. Next, we have the present perfect progressive into negative tense. That means if we get a positive sentence in present perfect progressive, if we make it negative, how will it look like? So the structure is given below: subject plus have or has plus not. We will add not after this auxiliary verb or helping verb, and then we will add the be past form, past participle form of be, which is been, and then verb plus ing. So see the example. Here's the table given below for different subject. For first party, as you can see, I, you, we, or they. There we will add have, and with have we will say negative. So that's why we are adding not. So haven't or have not. Then an auxiliary part, we can see auxiliary in be, which is a past participle form, which is been. So I haven't been play becomes playing tennis. Next one, he or she or it hasn't been learning French or has not been learning French. Now we have for and since with present perfect continuous. So as I said that this tense take time as an important aspect, we're going to learn that when to use for and when to use since. So in for side, as you can see, some examples are given, and in since side, as you can see, there's a lot of examples are given. You can see that in for side, these are a period of time which is given, like 30 minutes, 4 days, 3 minutes, 2 years, 3 centuries, ages, ever. And in since side, it is given the point in the past time. That means a point, exact point where it started, like 10 a.m. Friday, March 2010, 1700, I left school, the beginning of the time. So there's some example given here. As you can see, look at this example and sentences using for and since with the present perfect continuous tense. Example, I have been studying for 3 hours. So for 3 hours, which is a period of time, that's why we are using for. I have been watching TV for since 7 p.m. Tara hasn't been feeling well for 2 weeks. Tara hasn't been visiting us since March. He has been playing football for a long time. He has been living in Bangkok since he left school. So these are some examples by which you can easily notice that where to use for and where to use since. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will be benefited. Thank you.